Construction, a mirror of human civilization. Through the facade of the buildings, we have a glimpse of the architect's soul and a perception of the universe they created. Sand, metal, glass. Leave them to time to tell. When the light and shadow permeate through the long window of Savoy Villa, Barcelona's mountains echo the Mila hallmark. The Civro tree in Qatar Convention Center touches the paradise of poets and scholars. The ideal of a good place to live has never changed. Creativity, design and material. How to accomplish the mission. Human, architecture and nature. How to lead to the harmonization. Civro. Begin living. Energy saving, livable and sustainable. On this basis, we connect the architect's creative inspirations with human beings' infinite desire for residence ideal. Reforming lifestyles, let the beauty of architecture touch your heart. Make the wonderful scenery also the place where other creatures rest. Let the inhabitants grow harmoniously with nature and space. We will make unremitting efforts to create better solutions for the facade, committed to releasing all the potentials of architecture. We believe the distinctiveness of this era will define the trend of the next era. Civro, windows and facade system. Begin living.